This is the AGM Manual Jack Sport. Built with the DNA of our Pro Series at a price that won't empty your wallet. Today we're going to review the features of the jack from the top to the bottom so you understand exactly why we built it the way we did and how best to use it. Starting at the top is our patented V-groove, which allows you to lift from the chassis, bumper, or a side skirt. We also made this out of durable plastic instead of metal so it doesn't scratch your powder coat. And there's also one other really cool use for this that we'll share a little bit later in the video. Here's something else that sets us apart. So many companies today seal their products. And when they fail, not only are you stuck on the trail, but you're stuck buying a new product and adding to landfills. We don't play that game. All of our products, including the Manual Jack Sport, are Serviceable, which means that you are able to take them apart, replace worn parts, service them, keeping it alive and you on the trail. Under the top cap is the gearbox. Now the gearbox sees extreme load, so it's important to grease it no less than every 20 cycles. But don't worry, we've made it easy by adding a Zerk fitting to the side of the cap here. So what you do, take the jack, lay it on its side, and then either with a manual or electric grease gun, add 5 pumps into here. Gravity is gonna pull it down exactly where it needs to go into the ring and pinion. No teardown, no headache. Now you'll want to inspect the ring and pinion gears every 50 to 60 lifts. To do that, simply pop off these 4 fasteners, take the top cap off, and you'll have access to the ring and pinions. And what you're looking for in these is any pitting, any deflection or thinning of the teeth, or any damage. If you see any significant damage, replace the gear set. And hey, if you don't feel like messing with it, just send it in to us. We offer service and repair on all of our trail jacks. The 90-degree drive is designed to clear fenders and body panels so that you can get into those tight lifting spots on full-bodied non-race cars. You can run it with an impact gun or the included drill adapter using an 18-volt high-torque drill. And if your battery dies mid-trip, you say, it's no problem. We include an old-school crank handle in every kit, so we got you covered either way. The adjustable collar is made from lightweight aluminum, so it's super easy to move. And the cam lever is the same custom oversized design that we use on all of our Pro Series jacks. Tons of leverage, no bodybuilder strength required. And this cavity up front, this is part of our patented VersaLift system, which allows you to use one of our adapters or make your own. You're not stuck with one lifting option like other jacks. You've got 7 lifting positions on the front of the jack, giving you a total of 14 inches of adjustment before you even touch the internal travel of the jack. And the C-clip at the bottom is here to prevent the collar from falling off the bottom of the jack while adjusting. Small things, but they add up when you're repairing stuff trailside. Inside, the Manual Jack Sport is powered by our oversized high carbon steel tough thread. It's built to withstand double the rated working capacity of the jack, so you'll run out of vehicle long before you run out of jack. Both the inner and outer shafts are made out of steel with a rust-resistant coating. You get 15 inches of internal travel plus 14 inches of external travel, which gives you a total of nearly 30 inches of total adjustable range. Now that's a lot of range! At the bottom of the inner shaft is the travel plug. Now we created the travel plug for 2 reasons. The first, it keeps dirt out of the tough thread, and the second, it allows for 5 degrees of articulation so that the jack can follow the arc of the car as you lift. It also allows you to lift on uneven terrain and have the jack still be upright and stable. Below that is our patented ground lock pad. Its concave design compresses the sand into a cone, creating a more stable foundation so it doesn't sink into the sand like a flat pad would, resulting in a safer, faster lift. We cross-pinned the pad to the jack so that you can fold it 90 degrees or remove it altogether if you're storing it in a bag or bin. Both options allowing you a more compact storage. And these 4 holes give you a place to locate the jack if you want to do your own custom mounting solution. They also provide a method for attaching your own custom oversized pad should you have a unique situation. Every kit comes with the standard hook with a 3x4 flat pad on the top and J-hook underneath. The pad is great for flat lifting, while the hook is ideal for suspension and chassis parts. But make sure that you are lifting from the saddle, not the tip. Never the tip. Speaking of the tip, here's a pro tip. Combine the J-hook with the V-groove and top cap, and now the Manual Jack Sport can help you recover a rolled vehicle. If you want an even more secure connection to whatever you're lifting, our optional weld-on jack points index directly into the VersaLift cavity on the front of the jack, mechanically locking your vehicle to the jack. No slipping, no sketchy balancing act. And we left extra material on the backside so that you can contour to fit your vehicle. Just sand, weld, and you're good to go. Looking for a way to mount your manual Jack Sport? Check out the quick clamps. They're compact, super light, and can hold up to 150 pounds each. They're the perfect bolt-on solution for any of our trail jacks. The bottom line, with a 2,000 pound capacity, nearly 30 inches of travel, and 3 ways to power it, by hand, drill, or impact, the AGM Manual Jack Sport is simple, tough, and built to keep you rolling no matter where the trail takes you.